Welcome to Linux Help, how to install Terraform on Debian 12. Terraform is a program used to build infrastructure automatically, without accessing a cloud provider's console. Terraform can automatically build, update, and destroy infrastructure. It can create various resources, virtual machines, users, network devices, and security components. It enables a person to work with multiple cloud providers, AWS, Azure, Google, etc., and on-premises systems, VMware, KVM, Proxmox, and much more. Check the OS version by using following command. Download the GPG key for install Terraform by using following. Add the GPG key by using following command. Update the system packages by using following command. Install the Terraform by using following command. Check the Terraform version by using following command. This is the steps to install Terraform on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.